Hello, we're ready for the rotation test. This camera is about to die, so I gotta re-record this. So, I'm gonna be testing the arm and the torso rotation. I did some tests before, and this bolt right here that secures the linear actuator likes to lean from side to side, so probably due to this attaching, so I'll probably have to replace this mounting point with some lumber or something so it'll actually hold. So let me set the camera down and then I'll hop inside and you'll get to see it in action. I'll also be having a view inside the mech, talking about the cockpit. So here we are in the cockpit. Things are a little cramped at the moment. I need to move some stuff around to make it a little more roomy before I start, doing a try-mech for 15 minutes for 15 bucks shtick. But we've got our old familiar friends, our power core receptacles on the left and right. You've got the transmission, which is a little more stiff than it originally was before I added the rotating hips, but oh well. And here we have our brake, which currently isn't attached because I need to fabricate a new Bowden anchor, aka I ran out of washers. I'm not using the left arm because, well, it somehow got detached, so it's not as easy to control. Plus, on this arm, I don't have the bungees hooked up, so it's a little hard to lift. On our left, we've got the transmission engage, or the clutch pedal, I guess you'd call it. I need to move this piece of wood over here, so it acts as a bit of a buffer to keep this sort of L shape from getting too off course, which is starting to do. And maybe trim the PVC a bit, so that it doesn't hit these pedals all the time. And I gotta get rid of this L bracket right here because it's doing nothing. And we've got our pedals. There's only one currently hooked up at the moment, which is this one. So you push the pedal forward, push it back, it will make the mech rotate. But in order to unlock the pedals, you gotta go over to this little guy right here. Flip this up, flip the switch forward, put the cap down so it rests gently on top of the switch. There's supposed to be a green LED in there, but it stopped working a while ago. So, and if there's an emergency, just push this down and it turns the electrical system completely off. Then we'll turn the electrical system on and we will rotate the torso. Oop, other way. There we go. It's creaking. It's creaking, but are we moving? Are we moving? There seems to be a lack of movement. Oh. Oh. There we go. We're starting to move now. Alright, we have rotated. Now let's see about rotating back. Apparently, flipping the pedal towards us makes us turn left. So flipping it forward should make us turn right. Okay, we are done rotating. Alright, so what we've got is that I forgot to adjust the tension on the elbow for the arm, so the elbow wasn't really bending much. But that's an easy fix, but the harder fix is probably going to be this other bolt right here, which was causing some lag in the rotation and is keeping the mech from rotating all the way. It looks like it's actually twisting the PVC, so I'm going to have to figure out some other system, maybe put like a piece of wood in there and mount it to that so it's less likely to twist and make all sorts of fun creaking noises. But as we draw closer to full systems test, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next time. Bye-bye.